Hello students and welcome to my channel Maths Hub. So in these video series I'm presenting to you some magic with maths that will really help you to attempt your competitive exams. So we are having too many series on work and efficiency. So those of you who haven't watched my basic series questions on work and efficiency, they are required to watch them before you watch this video, right? So let's move on to the first question in this video. The first question says that X, Y, and Z separately can complete a work in 10, 20, and 30 days, right? So the first thing is that the quantities that we are given to us 10, 20, and 30, let's take the LCM, and I'm sure you will get the LCM equal to 60, right? So now let's write here 60 and let's write the individual work done by each person X, Y, and Z. X is taking how many days? 10 days. So what is the efficiency? 60 by 10, that is 6. Y is taking how many days? 20 days. So what is the efficiency of Y? The efficiency of Y is 3. Z is taking how many days? 30 days. So what is the efficiency of Z? It is 2. Right? Now let us come to the next problem statement. They start working together and after 4 days, what happens? X left the work. That means this is the entire work that is to be done. And for the first 4 days, all X, Y, and Z, they are all working together, right? For the first 4 days. Then X is leaving the work. So now, after X is leaving the work is being done by Y and Z, right? So that means after 2 days, so another 2 days goes, and then Y also leaves the work, and the remaining work is done by Z. So in how many days will the work be completed? So that means we have to calculate the number of days here. So if X, Y, and Z are together working for 4 days, that means how many parts of the work is being done? The total efficiency of X plus Y plus Z is how much? It is 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 2, 11. And in 4 days, the work was done till 4 days. So that means how much part of the work is done? 11 into 4, that is 44th part of the work is done. Then Y and Z are working for 12 days. So what is the total efficiency of Y and Z? It is 3 plus 2, 5, right? So how much part of the work is done? 5 into 2, that is 10. That means 44 plus 10. That means out of 60, 54 part of the work is being done. That means how much work is left? The work that is left is 60 minus 54. That is 6 parts of the work is left. And we have to calculate the remaining work to be done by Z. In how many days the work will be done, right? Now, if the efficiency of Z is 2, that means how many days will he require? He will require 6 by 2, that is 3 days, right? So in 3 days, Z will be able to complete the entire work, right? Okay. So let's move on to the next question. I hope you understood this question. Okay, let's see the next one. The next question says A, B, and C can do a piece of work in 24, 30, and 40 days respectively. They began the work together, but B left 3 days before the completion of the work, right? So first of all, let's calculate what is the LCM of 20, 24, 30, and 40. So we divide this by 12, by 2, sorry, we get 12 here, 15 here, and 20 here. Now let's divide it by 2 again. 6, 15, and 10. Then again by 2, we get 3, 15, and 5. Then again by 3, we get 1, 5, 5. Then we divide it by 5 and we get 1, 1, and 1. So what is my total LCM? The LCM is 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 30 2s are 60, 60 2s are 120. So let's write down 120 here. Now A is completing the work in 24 days. So what is the efficiency of A? It will be 120 divided by 24. So it would be 5, right? Now B is taking how many days? 30 days to complete the work, so the efficiency is 4. And C is taking how many days? 40 days to complete the work, so the efficiency is 3. So they began the work together. So they began the work together, right? So let's write here A plus B plus C. But B left 3 days before the completion of the work. So if I assume that the total work is to be completed in X days, right? That means they began the work together but left 3 days before the completion of the work. That means the last portion of the work was done by A and C, right? And B is leaving the work just 3 days. So that means this is 3. These are the last 3 days. So this part was done in X minus 3 days, right? Okay. So I need to calculate this X. So how to calculate this X? What is the total efficiency of A plus B plus C? The total efficiency is 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. So how much part of the work is done? 12 into number of days, that is X minus 3. Plus, what is the efficiency of A and C? The efficiency of A and C is 5 plus 3, 8. 8 into 3, 24. And how much is the total part? The total part is 120. So from here we get 12x minus 12 threes are 36 plus 24 is equal to 120. So from here we get 12x minus 36 plus 24 is minus 12. Minus 12 that goes that side and it becomes 132. And we have x is equal to 132 divided by 12. That comes out to be 11. So in how many days the work would be completed? The work would be completed in. So I hope you understood the question, right? Okay. So that's all with this concept. So thank you so much for listening to me. So those of you who have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel to get the latest updated video and believe in yourself and you will definitely succeed. Have a nice day.